Okay, so welcome to this episode of Grease Garage, where today we are testing Glens Silvia. Now, Glen, tell us, a lot of things have changed on this?
Yes, lots have changed. So we've had to go to a standalone ECU. We've gone from a Z32 airflow meter to a map sensor. When we went high mount, we were having all sorts of airflow meter reversion issues. Air was going both ways through it. It wasn't reading correctly. Like we might have even mentioned last time, map sensor is the way to go. Absolutely.
So what he's saying is, with the map sensor, when the car is under boost and you close the throttle body, air is coming back from the turbo, obviously causing flutter noises, as you guys would have probably heard before. But what that's doing is the map sensor is seeing air from both ways, as Glenn's saying, and then it's changing the fuel table and causing all sorts of havoc. So definitely looks a lot cleaner. You've also put a catch can on here.
Yep. We've gone for a catch can finally. We've opened up the exhaust a bit more. We've gone a bigger radiator to keep things cool.
Yeah, I see that. That's really, really cool. And you've got a BOV now.
Yes. We now have a BOV that releases just an atmosphere.
Any reason why you went BOV? Because this is an anti...
Yes, it is an anti-surge turbo, anti-surge housing, which you can actually hear it releasing air. I don't know, had a blow-off valve kicking around, why not throw it on?
Now, did we mention that you've now changed to E85?
Yes, so we are now on a full E85 fuel system.
Yep.
Engine protection, we can get it locally at the servo.
Which is awesome. So fuel pump, did you upgrade that?
Yeah, so fuel pump, we've got a 485 litre per hour.
Sweet.
Just in tank, standard wiring, didn't have to upgrade anything.
Oh, no surge tanks, nothing.
No,
cool.
didn't need anything.
Injectors, you were saying they're 16?
We've gone the 1650 Bosch Motorsports.
Cool,
Yep,
perfect.
Plenty of headroom.
Yeah, that's wicked. All right, so yeah, we're going to run up in the dyno. This has been tuned for 26
PSI.
Yep.
We've since turned it down a few PSI just from some spiking issues, cold weather, changes in exhaust, things like that.
Yeah, but you're still running a screamer pipe?
Yep, we're still screamer, still loud.
That's going to be epic to actually hear it.
Yep.
No, well, it's been months. It's been months since we released those first couple of videos.
It has been a long time. It has been a long time.
Wicked, man. Well, let's get on to it and see how we go.
Let's make some power.
Power! So Glenn and I tried a different couple of tunes that were supplied by his last tuner, as we were super concerned about this lean spot we kept on seeing on the lower end of the rev range. As you can see here on wide open throttle with load, the air-fuel ratios were just in a bad way. And this could be due to the extra exhaust modifications that Glenn has done since his last tune, or maybe even the local fuel quality. Regardless, we couldn't leave it as it was, so we adjusted his fuel map accordingly. The benefit was being, he picked up more power, more torque, and also his turbo spooled up just a little bit quicker, so it was all beneficial to Glen. E85. Breathe it in. It's amazing. Cool. so there you go, over 400 horsepower, no worries at all. Well, actually, there was worries.
There was some worries.
There was definitely worries.
There was some worries.
So what we found is up very high. Looks like there's a bit of breaking down, probably spark, I'm guessing.
Yeah, it sort of feels a bit like spark.
So Glenn's gonna pull it apart probably tonight.
Yeah.
And check the spark plugs to see what's going on.
Overnight parts from Japan.
Yeah, right. Down low, we were a bit lean, so we just added some fuel, and he's picked up over 50 horsepower.
Yeah, we've picked up heaps of power down low, response, it's all looking
torque. Yeah, I think you got like almost 40 newtons of torque.
Yeah, it looks like we picked up a fair bit from fixing that up.
So that's wicked, eh? So
yeah, no, it's all looking in the good.
So now it's leaving a different beast.
It is.
So Glenn's going to fix up that spark problem, maybe get some new core packs.
Yeah.
Yep, and who knows what it's going to make.
We'll go again.
We'll
have to stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Oh, we didn't get any anti-lag.
We didn't get any anti-lag. And we'll probably wait until we're firing on all cylinders correctly before we start throwing a shitload of fuel in and making bang.
That's good. Well, you better subscribe if you want to see this thing shoot anti-lag.
Make sure you follow this guy.
Thank you. Guys, catch you next time.